hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Biafra, we hail thee in the morning. Biafra, we hail thee in the afternoon. Biafra, we hail thee at midnight. Biafra, we hail thee always. All hail Biafra. Biafra, we hail thee. I greet all lovers of freedom all over the world, wherever you are, hearing anywhere at all in the world you are. If it is good morning, as at present, I say good morning to you. If it is good afternoon, I say good afternoon to you. If it is good night, I say good night to most of us that are about to sleep. I greet every one of us. I greet and I bring us love. I bring us love and the word of motivations for us to actualize this cause for our freedom. I greet everybody around the globe. I am very much troubled. When I say I am troubled, the blood in my vein is boiling. The blood in my vein is boiling. I am very, very much troubled. And I said, the drum of war that has been beaten by the Islamic jihadist terrorists has come to my own hearings, and I take a cause to say, we must wage them and accept them with open-handed. I really want to talk to us. I am not happy. I am not happy. When I said I am not happy, I am troubled. Often at times when we talk in the social media, if it happens we are in an environment that seems so conducive, if we are in, oh, goodness me, I must have to pray before I proceed. I am much troubled that I even forgot to pray. But thanks to that spirit that has been with me, that remember that I must have to pray. Let us pray. Chukwu okike abịama, onye ike niile dị n'aka ya, gị onye pụrụ ime ihe niile, gị onye mazuru ọchịchọ obi ndị gị niile bụ ndị Biafra. Ọchịchọ obi anyị niile Jehova o were gị anya, mana ana m ekwu okwu n'ụbọchị nke taa na-asị ka ha rabụ ụzọ ọbụla onye pụrụ ime ihe niile ekekere ụwa ka ndị gị na-ejiri amehie gị gbaghara. Gbaghara onye ime eluigwe, gbaghara, gbaghara ekekere ụwa, gbaghara. Anyị sị gị gbaghara n'otu olu dịka m na-ebisi ikpere n'ala na-ekpe n'ụbọchị taa. Ana m arịọ n'aha ụmụnne m, ana m arịọ n'aha ndị Biafra niile na-asị gị ekekere ụwa, gbaghara. Ụzọ ọbụla anyị esiri amehie, gbaghara, gbaghara. Onye pụrụ ime ihe niile, gbaghara, anyị arịọ gị. Ụzọ ọbụla anyị esiri amehie, anyị agbakwutele gị. Anyị makwa n'ezie na ịghaghị ịgbakwute anyị, ịghaghị nọnyere anyị. Bịa n'oge akara aka eruo, oge ahụ akara aka eruwe. Anyị na-arịọ gị ka ị bịa guzosie ike nọnyere ndị gị. Ọ bụla dị ka m na-achọ ikwu okwu a n'ụbọchị taa, kwuo site n'ọnụ m, ka ndị gị were nụ, ka wee hụ mkpa ọ dị ịhụ na Awụsa abịala. Hei, taa onye ime eluigwe bịa lụọ agha. Egbe m kwere n'ezie na mmeri bụ nke anyị. Ise. I am very much troubled. When I said I am troubled, I am crying right inside me. When I said I'm troubled, my heart is bleeding. My heart is bleeding to the extent that even what I felt that I've forgotten. Oh, goodness me. Chukwu okike said I have to remember it once again. My heart is bleeding. I thought I would no longer associate myself in anything like shedding of blood. But my heart is bleeding that this is the time for it to come to pass. I am not making this video inside the office. I am not making the video inside a very conducive environment to tell you that my heart is bleeding. Onye mewe mewe metewa gonuraye. Onye mewe mewe metewa gonura onye mewe imekata metewa gonura mgbe nwango bịara ebelebe egbole onye mewe metewa gonura onye mewe metewa gonura Fulani mekatala mete nwago n'ụra mgbe nwago bidoro ebelebe egbola mgbe nwago bidoro ebelebe egbole onye mewe mete nwago n'ụra hey onye mewe mete nwago n'ụra onye mewe mete nwago n'ụra mgbe nwago bidoro ebelebe egbola mgbe nwago tetara ebelebe egbola. Hey, listen, let me tell us, Fulani has pushed us to the wall. Fulani has pushed us to the wall. Often at times, if I make my video in the social media, some people felt it is just but a coward that is speaking. But I want to tell us something this day. Mark my word. I want to tell us something this day. There are people that are born to make history. And there are people that are born to share history. And there are people that are born to teach people about history. As a son of a lion, as a Biafran comrade, as a general of self-determination, I believe I am among those that are born to make history. Somebody has to wage the war, and somebody has to start up the war, and somebody has to begin it, and this is the time for us to start it. Listen, I am not joking. I am not joking. I am not joking. Wherever you are in Biafra land, hearing my voice as of today, believe with me that we are now in Biafra land to make sure we restore Biafra by fire, by force. Listen, I am giving this veto to all the Fulani jihadists, all the cattle rearers. Listen, I am giving out a veto on behalf of BSMS, Biafra Special Military Squad, on behalf of BSSS, Biafra Special Squad, on behalf of BNF, Biafra National Force, on behalf of BDF, Biafra Defense Force, on behalf of BID, Biafra Intelligent Deru, on behalf of BCS, Biafra Intelligence Service, collaboratively, I am giving out a veto under the platform of all these people, and we are giving a serious warning to Fulani jihadist terrorists. We don't want to know, and it is now obvious that the drum of war has come to my own hearing as a general. The drum of war has come to my own hearing, and we have repatriated, we have reincarnated, we have arranged together. We must stop Fulani jihadist terrorists. There is no time for nonsense. Let me show us something. Let you not think maybe I am in a thick forest. I have denied comfort. I try to deny comfort to let the world knows that I no more have comfort. I have denied comfort, and I am in a thick forest. And I say that Biafra must be restored. Come what may, Biafra must be restored. This is the time to restore Biafra. We have been pushed to the wall, and we say no to Fulani jihadi terrorists. Listen, let me tell us, as we are speaking, as all these bodies are speaking through my mouth, we are giving a serious warning to all the governors in Biafra land, to all the governors in Eastern region. We are giving a veto to you all that failed to represent the people, both in the primary level, both in the state level, and even up to the national level. You people are representing the people without a voice. As this day, henceforth, we don't want to see any minister. We don't want to see any senator. We don't want to see any House of Representatives. We don't want to see any governor. All these people that have been mentioned, that are serving in the national parastatals, that are serving in the federal level, we no longer want to see them in the church. We no longer want to see them in the church. They are now Muslim Brotherhood. For that reason, we no longer want to see them in the church. If any of them felt it is just a mere saying, let that person try and come to any church from this day in Biafra land, in Eastern region. Let such person come with his security and be ready to kill everybody in the church, because we have given a veto to all the senators, to all the governors in Biafra nation. They must not attend any church in Biafra land, because all of them has been converted to Muslim Brotherhood. Let them concentrate on their Islamization agenda. We know our people. And I want to tell us, we are now ready to clean dirty. Yes. Many people will be affected. We are going to clean dirty. If you know you are against Biafra, better pack up from Biafra land. This is the time for action. There is no more time. We will start it with the little we have. We are no longer expecting you that did not want to support Biafran defense to bring your money. Shit. I say shit. We gonna start it with the little we have. And from now henceforth, we said no to Fulani instituting anything like vigilante in Biafra land. That can never be. Any foreigner in Biafra nation that happen to be seen with arm must be dealt with under jungle justice, because Biafra has come to stay. There is no two ways about it. As I am saying it, it is better you take it. I said something when I was about to start this video. This is not going to be a very long video. It's going to be a short video, because I have many things to do, and I have some things to instruct. Things must be done. Listen, I said it when I was about to start this video. I said that there are people that are being born to make history. Somebody has to start Biafra war. And this is the time for that. Listen, let me tell us. Listen, let me tell us. I am 100% fortified to make such history. Somebody must start it. I am not expecting you to start it. I no longer ask you to bring your arm. We are no longer interested for your support. Don't come, forget about. We are starting it with the little we have. Because of that, let there be any people, no matter wherever you come from, to come to Biafra nation and institute anything like vigilante in Biafra nation. It is not accepted. And even as I speak, I plead to our brothers in the north. If you are still living in the north, if it has not become so obvious for you that Hausa has come to war, does it mean that what happens to the people of old, what happens to your forefathers, you want it to affect you again? You want this history to repeat itself on your own head? Ojukwu told them. They did not accept it. Ojukwu was not up to my age when he was saying that. Ojukwu was not up to my age when he was saying that. But he told them to leave the north and come down to the east. They rejected his voice. But later, what happened? They were all bundled and slain in cold blood. They were killed in more numbers. Why? Because they did not accept the voice. I said it before. I said somebody have to start it. Don't worry. Don't start it. We are here as a present to start it. And there is no more going back. Hausa has pushed us to the wall. And the only thing we have to do is to bounce back, which we have do. And as it stands as we speak, if you are from Biafra nation and you are still in the north, I am very sorry, because I am only speaking this in effect of 72 hours, 72 hours from now, as you are listening to this very voice, today to 22nd of June, 2019, as you are listening to this voice, 72 hours is for you to arrange yourself. Make sure you leave what you move out whatever that you treasured most in the north. Be it northeast, be it northwest, be it whatever north it is, even middle belt. Make sure whatever company you have, whatever businesses you are doing in that areas, 72 hours should be enough for you to treasure down to Biafra whatever you valued most. If not, you might live to regret. Yes, you might live to regret because you don't want to support Biafra at restoration. I said it often at times. I said Biafra is a great nation. And a great nation as Biafra can never be restored just by mere saying of words. United Nations has been corrupt. It's not even that they are corrupt. United Nations is Islamic organization. United Nations is an Islamic organization. And there is no way democracy can be actualized. There's no way democracy can be practiced where Islamic jihad supersede UN. Never you begin to think that Biafra will be restored without SWIFT. No, that will be like the coming of Jesus Christ. If we should think, come on, if we should think that Biafra restoration can come without war, that is just like for us waiting, just like the coming of Jesus Christ. That is just how it's gonna be. But no, they have pushed us to the wall. If you have not seen the handwriting on the wall, means you are messing up, means you are still in sin, means you are not wise, means you have to go for DNA to know if you are from Biafra nation. If you are from Biafra nation, my brother, every Biafra nation, every correct blood of Biafra supposed to see the full Islamization agenda. Okezie Ikpeazu connived with Hausa Fulani Jihad to institute Bakassi in Biafra nation. God forbid. Listen, let me tell us. Do not be deceived. Do not be deceived. For Biafra is not of mock. Whatsoever seed that you sow in this cause for Biafra restoration, the same seed you must reap. Do not be deceived. For Biafra is never of mock. Whatsoever seed you sow in the restoration of this very Biafra freedom, the same seed you must reap. Okezie Ikpeazu have been sowing the seed of deceit, have been sowing the seed of discrimination, have been sowing the seed of killing, have been sowing the seed of bloodshed. Okezie Ikpeazu, I must make sure that you don't live to see Biafra. It is not a mere talk. It is not just a mere talk. Never you begin to see it that way. A lot of things will just unfold very soon. Very, 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 very soon. A lot of things are going to unfold. You are waiting for somebody to start it. It will be start because somebody has to make a history. If it is that Ojukwu started the war of 1967, that is history, and you are talking about it. That is history, and you are talking about it. General J.N. Udonsi want to make a different history, and this is the time for it. Listen, if you are a big-time billionaire in Biafra nation, and all this while, we have been talking for Biafra restoration, you don't give a damn because you have your business moving. You know, sometime I interact with somebody who is staying in abroad. You know, I was just interacting with him a few days ago as he came back. I interact with him. I say, brother, what is really happening? Which side are you saying? Which side do you come back from? He said he come back from. I said, okay, what is happening there? Do you people have anything like IPOB? He said, no. All those things are for people that don't have money. You see to that. That is his understanding. And most of us are like that. But I don't give a damn. And I don't want to talk about such. Because I know, if Biafra happens to be a nation, my brother, you don't need to travel abroad. What are you going to do? Which abroad are you going? You don't need to travel abroad. We are well blessed. And that is why we are just for the envy of the world. If you think the United Nations will ask you to go from Nigeria and become a nation Biafra, it's a lie. The world know your potential. As a Biafra, the world is aware of your potential. We are very much blessed. We are blessed with human resources. You know, we can make things happen. That is how we are being created. We are blessed with natural resources. And we are wise enough that we can use them. My brother, Biafra must become a great nation. And that is just for the envy of the world. And that is why I keep telling us, if we feel that Biafra restoration will come on a roundtable discussion under referendum, my brother, I think we might be waiting for Biafra restoration, just unlike the Christians are waiting for the coming of Jesus Christ. Yes, that is true, because Biafra as a great nation has a lot of potentiality, has a lot of things that God has already blessed them with. And Biafra as a great nation is a great empire. I keep saying it. I keep repeating it. An empire can never be built by cowards. An empire can never be built by cowards. If you felt that Biafra will just come up, on a platter of gold, you are making a mistake. And that is why I said, now we have started it. We can no longer wait to be killed like before. We can no longer wait to see it like that. Let there be problems everywhere. I said something last in my last video. I make it with my page on Facebook. What I said in my last video, a lot of people has confirmed it. A lot of people has inboxed me about that. I tell us something. If the Britain just invaded our land in order to, to calm us down, they gave us Christianity. And when they give us Christianity, they extracted some, verses from the Holy Book and asked us they want to use. It's all right. If Britain that brought Christianity has been Islamized, if United Nations that is superseding the whole world has claimed, you see how I put it? I said has claimed, that is policing the whole world, United Nations, knowing about the affairs of the whole world, if they have been Islamized, being ruled by Islamists, jihadists, how do you think you're going to get Biafra on a platter of gold? How do you think you're going to be? It can never be. It will never be. If we decide and think it can be, means we are just waiting Biafra restoration, just unlike the Christians are waiting for the coming of Jesus Christ, which is just but a fairy tale. It can never be. But because we have reincarnated to restore Biafra by fire, by force, I tell you, upon you are hearing my voice, under 72 hours, if you are in the north, leave the north. I did not say 1 month. I did not say 2 weeks. I said 72 hours. Pack your treasures in the north and leave the north. 72 hours. Pack all your treasures. When I mean your treasures, forget about your house. Anything you felt is your treasure. Pack all of them and leave the north. Because when we started here, when we will visit them here, they will visit you there. And we're going to visit them soon here. Because they must do something. And little thing they do, we will retaliate in a bigger form. Who are the Fulanis? Who are they? Have they forgotten about their history? So they cannot even ask their people about us? Who are they? Let them go and ask their people. 300 years ago, we dealt with them. Our forefathers dealt with them. They went back to Zamfara. They went back to the north with shame. 300 years ago, we are still mightier than what they think. We are still mightier than what they think. The time of old has come. The time of old has gone. The time of analog has gone. We are presently at digital time. Necessity still remains the mother of inventions. And the way we did it in the time of Ojukwu, same in a greater way, we're going to do it this time. There's no two ways about it. I don't want to waste our time in making this video because I have some other things to coordinate. I have some other instructions to pass. I said something in my last video. If you are attending any church in the east, in Biafra land, and your church or whatever church you are attending has never embossed me to tell me that you have arranged a Christian radical society inside the church, you need to do that. If your own church has never organized Christian radical society, Christian radical movement in the church, if you go back to my former video before this one, I said that. I said this is the time for all the Biafrans that are still attending churches in Biafran nation to begin to arrange a group. That group should be Christian radical group. This Christian radical group is to wage war of defense against Islamic terrorist jihad that is in a long speed. Soon they will begin their attack in the church. Sorry, because whenever they started it, just little, we will kill them in number. And that is why I said, if you are still in the north, calm down. This is not a mess saying. I did not come up with suit. I am not in the office. I am in a thick forest. It is not only Fulani that knows how to enter bush. I know how to enter bush more than them. Fulani is not the only people that know how to be in the bush. We have decided to live comfort and stay in the bush. You don't want to support Biafran defense. You don't want to make calls and ask what you can do to support Biafran defense. You feel you have a lot. You can travel anytime to anywhere. Remember, you can never deny your DNA. Remember, you can never deny your fatherland. Wherever you think you can go out to reside, that is foolishness. This is the time. Not everybody will fight the war. Not everybody will run to become a migrant. Not everybody will go to asylum. Not everybody will propagate the gospel of Biafra restoration. Not everybody will go for the war. You have money in Biafra land. You're supposed to know your job. This is the right time for you to support all these names that I mentioned before. BSMS, BDF, BIS, BISS. All these things out. Biafran. Try to engage yourself with one of them. We need arms, but we are starting from whatever little that we have. I said a big fuck to Fulani jihad. A big fuck to them. As I make this video this day, things are going to happen. You are going to see it. You don't want to bring out yourself to support Biafra agitations. You felt we are just playing and making it in the social media. Don't worry. Somebody must begin a history. Somebody must begin to be. Somebody must start it. There are people that are being born to make history. And there are people that are being born to spread the news. There are people that are being born to watch the screen. I believe I am born to make history. Ojukwu was not up to my age when he declared the nation of Biafra and waged war against the uncircumcised jihadist Fulanis, circumcised people that has no time to stand Omuchukwu Okike Abiyama. that has no right and has no place to stand Umuchukwu Kabiama. Who are they? My heart is bleeding. My heart is bleeding. Listen, let me tell us. This is not the time. This is not the time to speak on bite. This is not the time for clumsiness. This is not the time to do anyhow. This is the time to focus. This is the time to open your eyes. This is the time to suspect everybody. Everybody you see, anybody you see, as long as you don't know that face, that person is a suspect in Biafra land. Anybody you see, as long as you don't know that face, that person remains a suspect until you clarify the person. What do I mean by that? As you see that person, since you don't know the person, you have to ask somebody closer. Do you know that person going? Anybody that we don't know is a suspect and is a Fulani, and we have to start with them. Because there is no way you can search a Fulani man without seeing dagger. And if you are in Biafra nation, we don't move around with arms. If we search you and we see dagger, confirm you a Fulani man, we go carry you go backyard. Now so you go begin now. Now so you go begin. We go carry you go backyard. You understand? Now so you go begin. You know, I know they're happy. I know they're happy. You know why I know they're happy? I think say something like this no go ever be. You understand? Yeah, I think say something like this no go ever be. Listen, let me tell us. There are people. There are people. People are born differently. People are born differently. I don't want to go too deep. This is a live video. I don't want to go too deep. I want to go to somewhere now, but I don't want to go there. This is a live video. But what I'm saying, one day, this is the time I get Jeep and Dawsa. I got Kondawsa Jeep now. I get Jeep and Dawsa. Whatever little we have, that is what we are starting with. We are no longer waiting for you again. I have said my own. 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 I am saying as a general, and as I said before, I just want to conclude with those words. I promise us that this video is supposed to just be like 30 minutes videos because I have some other things to coordinate. One thing you must have to remember, if you have not formed that Christian radical group in your church, form it through your WhatsApp. All the whole members in your church that you felt that they're supposed to be among the radical group, invite them into the group. Invite them under the group. Try to do it. Let's coordinate ourselves. I have said much, and I am not saying any longer. There are words that we need not to say here openly. But what I'm saying is that somebody has to start it. And the time to start it is now. Because the war is already with us. The drum of war has sounded too loud that everybody has heard it. And we have already confirmed our enemies. Somebody like Rochas Okorocha, Okezie Ipazo, Dave Omai, Ojo Zokalo, all these people are but enemies, including other senators from all the senatorial districts in Biafra land. All these people has been bound to come to any church, to go to any church in Biafra nation, because we must have to start from somewhere. Unless they are ready to come with their armies and police to kill almost everybody in the church, we must have to start from somewhere. And that is why we are issuing a veto today that all the Eastern politicians in the federal level are bound to attend any church in Biafra nation, because all of them has been converted to Islamic Brotherhood, and there remains but Islams parading like sheep but wolves they are. Parading like sheep, but wolves they are. We say no to them. We say no to them. We will start it. We will start it. 72 hours is enough for you to move down all your treasures from Ugwu Hausa to Biafra nation. Don't say you did not hear it. Don't say nobody tells you, because they will do small thing and we are going to do bigger thing that will warrant them to attack you in the north. Better be wise, because Biafra must be restored by fire, by force. I am stopping this video right now. Biafra must be restored. Kere nkocha. Nkocha abogojo. Anya chokwane gema. Whatever it takes to get Biafra restored, remain our destination. Remains our call to service. And we still remain loyal to our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Okwo Yome Kanu. Whatever he says comes to pass. And he has said that Biafra must be restored. And we believe that this is the time. 2019 remains Biafran restoration year. He said.